is it actually a good time to be buying real estate and, talk about the tax-favored aspect of it as well?
Well, timing is always a difficult question, but, we're actually sort of in recovery mode in many parts of the country, so I believe that there are probably some bargains still around for people to get involved with. I look at real estate as more of a long-term investment, and there are different areas of the country that you can even invest in and so forth. So I would say that it's still a good time to invest in real estate, and you can still find some bargains. Real estate is still a tax-favored investment, and many people can afford to invest in real estate, for example, who couldn't afford to buy a home because you can get tax deductions for real estate and it produces cash flow. So a couple of the things to think about as tax deductions is, for example, depreciation. So you actually get to write off a part of the cost of the property each year that you can offset some of your revenue with. Also, things that we can't deduct on our personal residence, like insurance and repairs, you get to deduct on your income tax return against real estate. So there are some limitations we'll talk about later, particularly the passive activity loss rules. But for the most part, real estate is still very tax favored. Oh, there's one other thing related to real estate, and that is tax-deferred exchanges. So that's something that's not available for personal assets, but you can actually not have to report the gain related to a sale of a property when the proceeds are reinvested in another property under certain limitations. So anyway, that's another very special benefit for real estate.